Welcome. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Book4, and in this video I will show you how to boot this laptop from USB flash drive. So to do this, first you'll have to turn off your PC by pressing the power button and then start clicking the F10 button to enter the boot mode. Now before you do that, of course, insert the bootable USB flash drive into your laptop, into one of the available slots. Then press the power button once and start repeatedly pressing F10 button once you do that. And once you see this screen in front of you, you'll be able to navigate here using your arrow keys and select using enter. So select the USB. For me it's UEFI generic SD MMC 1.00. Select it, press enter, and this way you can boot into your USB flash drive. And in case you see an error screen in front of you, what you'll have to do is turn off your device once again. For me right now, let me click Alt F4 and then select yes to turn off the laptop, and then when your laptop restarts, press F2 button repeatedly, and then after you turn on your PC and start pressing F2 button, you'll end up in the Samsung BIOS configuration. Here you'll have to open security system, then go to secure boot configuration, then change the security boot mode from standard. If you have the standard one, let me select the standard one. Okay, so if you see a screen like this, change this one to custom, and then factory default key provisioning to disabled. Now after that, if you see delete all factory default variables, you don't see it on my screen, but if I do something like this and click on yes, then it will install all factory default keys. And if you see this delete all security boot variables, click on it, click yes, then click F10, click OK, and then try to restart the booting operation, redo it. So when your laptop restarts, start clicking the F10 button, and then you can go to the USB, and then you'll successfully enter the I don't know, the second operational system, or maybe the OS installation process, whatever you have on your USB flash drive. Okay, so right now let me exit this, and that's basically all. That's how you boot your device from USB flash drive. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.